What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler and this is Earth's Cuisine, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to make some vegan snow cream. As you can see, it snowed quite a bit where I am last night, and I put some containers out here last night to try to catch some snow. I got some that got completely buried like this one, so I should have plenty of snow. I'm doing this outside, that way my snow won't melt. But for this recipe, I'm going to be using 1 cup of plant-based milk, 1/3 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll need about 8 cups of snow, depending on density, but I got about 8 cups here. And also gonna be throwing in some vegan chocolate chips and some of these sprinkles. And there you have it. We have vegan snow cream. If you would like to make this recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. I hope y'all enjoyed and learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.